Welcome, dear one. You have been called here, not by chance, but by a deeper knowing, a whisper that echoes through the chambers of time, through the bones of your ancestors. A knowing that you were born not just to walk this world, but to awaken something sacred within it. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated with your spine tall and free. Let your eyes gently close and begin to draw your awareness inward. Breathe in slowly, deeply. And breathe out, letting go. With each breath, allow your body to soften. Feel your roots reaching down from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, deep into the rich, dark soil of the earth below. Feel her ancient rhythm. Feel her heartbeat. You are held. You are safe. You are home. Now, begin to imagine a mist gathering around you, thick, silver, and shimmering. Within this mist, shapes begin to form, figures, shadows of those who came before. These are your ancestors, the witches, the wise ones, the midwives, the healers. The ones who sang to the moon, who danced with the stars, who whispered spells to the wind. Feel them draw near. You may not know their names, but their magic flows in your veins. Their wisdom hums in your bones. You are the continuation of a sacred line, a golden thread unbroken. Their power did not die. It was passed on to you. Breathe them in. Feel their presence. Let them place their hands on your shoulders. A blessing, a remembering. Now, draw your attention to the center of your being, just below your navel. Here lies your cauldron, the seat of your power. Visualize a small flame flickering there, golden, warm, ancient. With every breath, this flame grows brighter, stronger, wilder. This is your inner fire, your will, your truth, your magic, the spark of the witch within. Whisper softly to yourself, I awaken the witch within. I am the magic. I am the fire. I am the spell. Let your body drink in this truth. Let it vibrate through every cell. You are no longer hiding in the shadows. You are stepping into your power. Now, imagine before you a sacred altar placed in a clearing within an ancient forest. The air smells of pine and herbs. The moonlight glows through the canopy. On the altar lies your tools, those that have chosen you. See them appear, a wand of twisted hazelwood, a crystal pulsing with light, a chalice filled with moon water, a grimoire bound in leather and whispers. Reach out in your mind's eye and touch them. Feel their energy respond to yours. These are not just tools, they are extensions of your soul. They have been waiting for you to remember. Now, draw a circle of light around yourself. You are in your sacred space, protected, empowered, free. Speak these words, either aloud or within, by earth, by air, by flame, by sea. The witch I am, I now set free. By blood, by bone, by stars above. I walk this path in strength and love. Let the energy of this spell fill you. Let it dance through your aura, reawakening every thread of your magical being. You are not becoming the witch. You are remembering that you've always been. Now, turn gently to face the shadows behind you. This is the part of you that was silenced, hushed in fear, punished for being too wild, too wise, too much. See her, the hidden witch. She has waited, patient and proud, no longer afraid, no longer ashamed. Invite her in. Merge with her. Become whole again. You are the light and the shadow, the healer and the storm, the moon and the flame. I honor all that I am. Nothing within me is wrong. Nothing is too much. Now, imagine a great phoenix rising before you from embers and ash. She is radiant, burning with truth and transformation. You step forward and she merges with you. You feel her wings unfold through your back. You rise, no longer hidden, no longer small. You rise as the witch you were born to be, wild, sacred, sovereign. Feel yourself expand, glowing with power, rooted in truth, blessed by your ancestors. Now, slowly begin to return to the breath. Softly, gently. Feel your body, your heart, the room around you. Carry this power with you, not just as a memory, but as a living, breathing truth. You are the spell. You are the altar. You are the witch. Breathe deeply, one final time. Feel gratitude rise for the path, for the ancestors, for the flame that now burns brighter within you. When you're ready, begin to move your fingers, your toes, and when it feels right, open your eyes. You are awakened, and your magic is just beginning.